Hello everyone, in this short video I'll show you the Dodge Charger that I'm making out of clay. This is an intermediate stage of the process and so far I've made about 50% of the car and this is how it looks right now. Almost the entire body of the car is ready except for the front part, the hood and the roof. I'm managing to make it look very similar. I'm able to capture all the curves, these lines and the geometry of the body. I'm making the whole car out of very hard NSP clay and hard sculpting clay. I'm making this car without a frame, meaning I immediately attached the body panels to the bottom of the car since I saw that this shape holds very well even without a frame. And no additional supports are needed. And I'm making the body parts thin, just 1 mm thick, so that the structure isn't too strong and can deform during the crash test for this car. And the foil on the back side of the body is needed for strength. It holds the model in clay in the desired shape, and it also creates more realistic dents in the body during collisions. I really like this Dodge Charger and I want to build it well. Fortunately, I have a lot of information about the car and I've already recreated the underside of this car very accurately. But right now, during the sculpting process, I covered it up so I wouldn't damage it or accidentally paint over it later. You can see it in the photo. I happened to find a very detailed tutorial by chance. It's a model of this Dodge Charger on the D'Agostini website of this exact Dodge in 1/8 scale. So, there's this 3D model here where you can examine everything in detail, which is very convenient. If only there were such a 3D model for every car, it would make all this much easier. By the way, I'm making it from the first Fast and Furious movie. It's Dominic Toretto's Dodge, a 900 horsepower monster that can do wheelies. And the big protruding supercharger sticking out from under the hood will be there too. For now, the engine is only roughed in so far. The interior will also be almost empty, just like in the movie. The car will be lightened and equipped with a roll cage. Well, that'll make things easier for me too. I don't need to make door panels or seats. Well, except for the driver's seat, I still need to make the front part, the engine, the hood, the interior, install the roof and the wheels. That's my process for working on this Dodge. I hope you found it interesting to see what I'm making. If that's the case, then like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss videos about modeling clay cars. Thanks everyone for watching, goodbye.